In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Life 360 app. First, let's begin by downloading the app. Open your device's Google Play Store if you are using an Android, or the App Store if you are on an iPhone. The screen will display a variety of options available for download. At this point, use the search bar at the top to type in Life 360. It is essential to ensure you spell it correctly to find the right app. Once you see the Life 360 app in the search results, tap on the Install button. This action will begin the installation process. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the download is complete. Once it finishes, you can tap Open to start using the app. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for your entire experience with Life 360. Now that the app is downloaded, let's move on to creating your account. When you first open the app, you will see a screen with a Get Started button. Tap on this button to begin the account creation process. You will be guided through several prompts that will ask for some basic information such as your name, email address, and a password. Follow the prompts carefully, as providing accurate information is important. This ensures that you can receive notifications and updates from the app. Once you fill in the required details, you will be ready to start using Life 360. Remember, creating an account is vital because it links your device to the Life 360 services and allows you to enjoy its features fully. After creating your account, you'll be taken to the main interface of the app. Here you will see various options that allow you to customize your experience. Take a moment to explore the layout. It's user-friendly. You will see options for location sharing, safety alerts, and even messaging features. This interface is designed to make navigation easy, so do not worry if it feels a bit overwhelming at first. Familiarizing yourself with these options is important because it will enhance your ability to use the app effectively. You can always refer back to this screen as you continue setting up your preferences. Next up, let's set up location sharing. Life 360 is designed for families and friends to keep track of each other's locations. To enable this feature, you will need to grant the app permissions to access your device's location. Look for a prompt asking for location access when you first set it up. Tap Allow to give the app permission. This step is critical because it ensures that you and your loved ones can see each other's locations in real time. After granting permission, you should see a confirmation message reassuring you that location services are enabled. At this point, you might want to invite family members or friends to join your circle. This feature allows you to share locations and alerts with those you trust. To do this, look for the option that says Invite Friends or Add Family Members. You can send invitations via text message or email depending on what works best for you. This step is essential for maximizing the app's capabilities. By inviting others, you create a network where everyone can stay connected and safe. Once you have sent out your invites, take a moment to explore the safety features available within the app. Life 360 offers various tools such as location history and emergency alerts. Familiarizing yourself with these features can provide peace of mind for you and your family. This is important because knowing how to use these tools can enhance your family's safety. Now that you have everything set up, you are ready to enjoy all the benefits Life 360 has to offer. Congratulations, you have successfully set up the Life 360 app.